Hey there, investors. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the hottest stock picks and investment strategies. Today, we're counting down the top 12 AI stocks that could make you rich. These companies are harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to drive innovation and growth. Stick around to see which stock tops our list. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting our countdown at number 12 is PayPal Holdings Inc., ticker symbol PYPL. PayPal is a leader in digital payments, facilitating secure transactions for millions of users worldwide. Historically, PayPal has seen substantial growth, with its stock rising from around $35 at its IPO in 2015 to an all-time high of more than $318 in 2021. Although it faced some headwinds in 2022, the company's focus on integrating AI for fraud detection and personalized user experiences positions it for a strong comeback and future growth. At number 11, we have Fortinet Inc., ticker symbol FTNT. Fortinet is a top player in cybersecurity, providing AI-driven solutions to protect organizations from evolving threats. Since its IPO in 2009, Fortinet stock has a total return of 3,557%. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, Fortinet's AI-powered security systems are in high demand, and its future growth looks robust as it continues to innovate in network security. Next up at number 10 is Intuitive Surgical Inc., ticker symbol ISRG. Intuitive Surgical is revolutionizing healthcare with its AI-driven robotic surgical systems. Since going public in 2000, its stock has soared more than 21,115%. With the increasing adoption of minimally invasive surgeries, Intuitive's innovative technology and AI integration promise continued growth and expansion in the medical field. At number 9, we have Datadog Inc., ticker symbol DDOG. Datadog provides monitoring and analytics solutions for cloud applications, leveraging AI to deliver real-time insights. Since its IPO in 2019, Datadog's stock has jumped from $27 to over $138 in 2024. As more companies migrate to the cloud, Datadog's AI-enhanced services are crucial for maintaining performance and security, driving strong future growth prospects. Coming in at number 6 is Salesforce Inc., ticker symbol CRM. Salesforce is a leader in customer relationship management, utilizing AI to enhance customer engagement and business operations. Since its IPO in 2004, Salesforce's stock has grown from $4 to over $318 in 2024. With its continuous innovation and expansion into AI-driven services, Salesforce is set to maintain its leadership and deliver sustained growth. At number 7, we have Tesla Inc., ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla is not just an electric vehicle manufacturer, it's also a pioneer in AI-driven autonomous driving and energy solutions. Since its IPO in 2010, every $10,000 invested in Tesla stock would be worth $2.4 million after accounting for stock splits. As Tesla continues to innovate in AI technology for self-driving cars and expand its clean energy initiatives, its future growth potential remains immense. Number 6 on our list is Meta Platforms Inc., ticker symbol Meta. Formerly known as Facebook, Meta is at the forefront of leveraging AI to enhance user experiences and drive its vision of the metaverse. Since its IPO in 2012, Meta's stock has risen from $38 to a current trading price of more than $500 per share. With its massive investment in AI and virtual reality, Meta is positioned for substantial growth as it leads the charge into the next generation of digital interaction. At number 5 is Amazon.com Inc., ticker symbol AMZN. Amazon uses AI extensively across its e-commerce platform, logistics network, and AWS cloud services. Since its IPO in 1997, Amazon stock has generated a total return of more than 182,900%. As Amazon continues to innovate with AI in areas like machine learning, customer personalization, and supply chain optimization, its growth trajectory remains robust. Number 4 on our list is Alphabet Inc., ticker symbol Google. Alphabet, Google's parent company, is a leader in AI research and applications, from search algorithms to autonomous driving with Waymo. Since its IPO in 2004, Alphabet's stock has surged, with every dollar invested during the IPO now being worth $55 today. With ongoing advancements in AI across its wide array of services, Alphabet is set to continue its dominance and drive significant growth. At number 3 is Microsoft Corporation, ticker symbol MSFT. Microsoft integrates AI into its cloud services, software products, and business solutions. Since its IPO price of $21 per share in 1986, Microsoft stock has produced a total return of more than 327,401%. As Microsoft continues to expand its AI capabilities within Azure and across its product ecosystem, its position as a tech giant is only strengthening, with significant growth potential ahead. At number 2, we have Advanced Micro Devices Inc., ticker symbol AMD. AMD is a key player in the semiconductor industry, providing powerful chips for AI applications, gaming, and data centers. Since its IPO in 1972, AMD's stock has experienced substantial growth, particularly in recent years, climbing from around $2 in 2016 to over $150 in 2021. With AI driving demand for high-performance computing, AMD's future looks very promising. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is NVIDIA Corp., ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA is renowned for its GPUs, which are essential for AI and high-performance computing. Since its IPO in 1999, NVIDIA's stock has skyrocketed, turning a $10,000 investment into more than $5.2 million, or a compound annual growth rate of 36.7% during the period. As AI technology expands across all sectors, NVIDIA's cutting-edge solutions are crucial, positioning it for continued explosive growth and innovation. There you have it, our top 12 AI stocks that could make you rich. These companies are leading the charge in AI innovation and have the potential for tremendous growth over the next decade. Remember, investing always carries risks, so be sure to do your own research or consult with a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we think you'll love these other 2 videos popping up on your screen right now. Click on one to continue your journey to financial success. See you in the next video.